everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing to share with you, and I have got Roccabox, and this is their September beauty box. So as always, if you know everything there is to know about Roccabox, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. But if you're new to Roccabox, then carry on watching. So Roccabox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 postage and packaging. Inside you get between say 5 to 7 products a month, and they range from everything beauty related. If you opt for a rolling monthly subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. Now this box was kindly gifted to me as PR from Roccabox, so I can show you and tell you all about it. They've also given me a discount code to share with you as well, so I'll pop that down below in the description. So underneath this video you see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. As with all subscription boxes, some months are better than others, but I am really impressed. There was a time when I thought that Roccabox was going through a bit of a dodgy stage. It just seemed to be quite samey to other subscription boxes, and there wasn't anything that really stood out as different from them. But the past few months have been really good. My own preferences regarding subscription boxes, say if I got 5 items in a box, if I like and I know I'm going to use at least 3, then it's a good box. Anything lower than that and it's a bit meh. If I've got 4 or 5 products that I really love and I can't wait to use, then it's going to be a wow box. So that's sort of where I stand when I'm unboxing the boxes and, you know, seeing the products that are inside. Now I've just found out that they are going to be doing an advent calendar this year, and it's the very first time they've done an advent calendar, I believe, so watch out for that in the next couple of weeks when we probably get more information about it. As soon as I hear anything about it, I'll pop it up on my Instagram or my Facebook page. Same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, but I'll let you all know there. They're also coming out with a capsule box, so in there contains, I believe, 7 well-known branded beauty treats, and again, as soon as I know more information, I will let you know. But they do these limited edition boxes regularly, and they also do mystery boxes on their website. So all details and everything related to this box, and if I can find any details about the advent calendar, etc., I'll pop it down with the rest of the details in my description. So I think that's it. So let's get on to unboxing and showing you what I received. So what it looks like inside. So we got a little leaflet here. It tells you everything about the products, and it's got the cost as well, so I'm able to refer to that as we go along. Always get Virgin vouchers. I've never actually claimed that. Have any of you claimed it? Is it a good deal? I don't know. Let me know if you have claimed that, because I always throw these away. But yes, we've got loads of worms here, so I'll just take them out. Oh my word. Oh my god. We got a bottle of gin. We got a bottle of gin. Hold on. I'll give you a sneak peek first. You might not be able to see, actually. Whoop! Look! It's a bottle of gin. So that's the first thing I noticed. How bad is that? What is this? Caleno, juniper and inca berry. It's a non-alcoholic free spirit. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I'm jumping now. I am jumping. I will go through the leaflet in a minute. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I like that. I can't wait to try that. Right, before I look at anything else, I'll just give you a little lowdown about the theme. So it says, hi Roccabosses, this September is all about you and the boss that you are. Everyone is bossing it in some way, and remember, not everyone's success looks the same. I know full well how hard it can be to juggle work in between everything else that you're going through. So whether you're looking towards a promotion or being a good friend, or you're bossing being a mum, we want you to remember that you're a boss. We're also including some fabulous female-owned brands this month out of respect to all those ladies doing their thing. Right then, back to that bottle. It looks like gin. It looks like gin. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like a non-alcoholic gin. No, yeah, it is. It says, simply serve over ice, twist with tonic, garnish with an inca berry. Oh, I can't wait to try that. And the fact that it's non-alcoholic as well. I like the alcoholic version. I'd be just as happy. But I'm just curious in seeing what this is like. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells so nice. I'm gonna have to try it. I can taste the berries. Oh, that is so nice. Yeah, it's quite sharp and tangy, but I'm really excited to give that a go with some tonic. What a fab thing to put in a box. Oh, and this is the extra treat. So besides everything else in the box, this is the extra treat that they've added. So Caleno is a distilled tropical non-alcoholic spirit inspired by the sun-drenched spirit of Colombia. Zingy, zesty and ready to party, Caleno's juniper and inca berry is a tropical infusion of juniper, citrus and spice botanicals. And then it goes on to saying, pour over ice with tonic and then time to party. Now you can buy this on Amazon and Sainsbury's, and the recommended retail price for 50 CLs, what have we got here, 100 mils. For the full size it'll cost you £18. I love that. I absolutely love that. Let me know what you think of them adding this in the box. Yeah, I think that's cool. Next, we've got a brush, and this is by Brushworks. This is an eye brush, and yeah, I'll get it out and I'll show you. This is gorgeous. That is such a lovely brush. See, it is really, really lovely. And I do like that head as well. Handy, handy, handy for more like detailed work on the eye. Oh, I really like that. I love the design. This is a full-size brush. This retails for £5.99. We all need tools that we can rely on, so this vegan-friendly and cruelty-free handcrafted brush is my new best friend. Its short bristles help to apply a controlled quantity of product onto the eyelid. The densely packed fibres are ideal for generating multiple eyeshadow looks of varying intensities, shapes and effects. Now create and blend with control. It's got an eye brush. Then we've got something that looks good enough to eat. Is it like a lip scrub? Like it on top. I can't read the smaller writing. This is Juicy. It's a lip scrub. Yeah, lip scrub protection. We got 30 grams there. So it's the brand Like It on top. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, lemons. It just smells so nice. Look, look, look. So this is a deluxe travel size and it retails at £11.75. This lemon lip scrub exfoliates, moisturises and hydrates lips, the perfect step before applying lipstick. It is also 100% natural and is a female owned brand, and yeah, it's Like It on top. That is the brand. That is gorgeous. My daughter's going to want this. I know she is. Then we got a Duval's, an Argan lip and cheek colour oil, and this is in Berry Blast. I don't think I've ever tried anything about this brand before. Duval's Berry Blast. Ooh, I hope this isn't too dark. I love the packaging. That is really cool packaging. Okay, I'll just put a tiny bit on my hand. So it's a lip and cheek oil. Ooh, look at that. That is lovely. No, I wouldn't use this on my cheek. It's just, yeah, anything, it feels oily. I wouldn't use that on my cheeks at all, but definitely on my lips. The sort of thing I'd keep like in my bag or something like that. And especially if you have dry lips, I sometimes have dry lips. So having that just like dot it onto my lips, just to give my lips a bit of flusher colour. But no, that is really pretty. I thought that it might be really dark. I've got Berry Blast. So there's, it doesn't show you the shades, but there's Enchanted Spice, Wild Honey, Berry Blast, Sweet Love and Rose. There, so this is a full size and it retails at £16. This is perfect for quickly applying when you're out and about. It helps that it's for lips and cheeks, so ideal for popping in your handbag. This argan oil can be used to tint and nourish your lips and cheeks, creating a luscious hydrating look without leaving you greasy. Perfect for boss babes like me who are always on the go. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, that's cool. Next, we've got something which I've had before. And this is an eyeshadow palette by Style London. And this is the Velvet Touch Style London palette. And this is in the shades Devil. Woo! These colours are stunning. And they're the type of colours that I go for. But I've got Urban Decay and it's all these colours and that's just the one I always tend to go for. But no, it's a really pretty palette. You've got some gorgeous shimmers, mattes and gorgeous like transition colours as well. So definitely an autumnal type of palette there. But I've got one of these already, so I'm going to pass that on to someone. Or what can I say? So this is the Hero product. This is full size and it retails for £15. This Velvet Touch 9-colour palette offers a perfect assortment of colours for all kinds of makeup looks. With matte and sheen finishes and added vitamin E, these pigments can last all day long. Perfect for those long days where you need your makeup to stay put. So we got that. And then lastly, we got a mask for your neck. Advanced Hydrogel Mask. Oh my word. Okay, this is by the brand OK. This is a Korean brand and they do lots of different types of masks, but I've never tried this before. Sculpting Tech Neck Targeted Mask with Pomegranate. I have tried a neck mask. Is it a by Wishful by Huda Beauty, and it felt nice. I looked a bit odd, it felt nice, but didn't notice much of a difference. But I suppose with them you need to be doing it quite often, and I suppose if you've got like a chubby double chin like I have, then you might not see much difference at all. But I think it'd be good for, I'm not sure about this one, but I'm just thinking of the one I tested, but I think it'd be good for like moisturising and toning. It lifts and firms, you can use it daily, and I'm sure this would probably be a lot cheaper as well than the Wishful one. And yeah, it is exactly the same. You tie it behind your ears like that, and then you press it onto your neck. You leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and take it off. It's obviously full size, and you can buy this for £7. We've come to the rescue with this vitamin infused neck shaped fibre mask formulated with pomegranate, a rich source of vitamin X. It helps to fight aging, plumps and restores skin. It's the mask you never knew you needed. So you got a neck mask. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll add them all up. So these are all the products inside September Roccabox. There's 6 items in all, but we've got this little fake gin. That's what I'm going to call it. It adds an added gift, so that's an added bonus there. So taking the price of that away, all the rest of the items come to around £56, something like that. Now, besides the palette, which I'm going to give away because I've already got, I am really chuffed with this month's product. Yeah, I'm really excited to try the neck mask. This brush is gorgeous, and the lip scrub as well. You know, I know both myself and my daughter use them, so we'll be sharing that. And yeah, it's just a really good box. I am really chuffed with it. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of them? Have you subscribed to Roccabox? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.